What's going on, guys? My name is Lexus C and welcome back to the channel. And today I got literally a monster in front of me. Let me put it to you this way. This car can do 3-foot wheelies stock from factory. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2001 Dodge Grand Kit. No, I'm just joking. No, we're here today with my buddy Michael. Say what's up, Mike.
What's up, guys?
So we are here to review the 2018 Dodge Demon. Holy crap, it's mind-blowing. I mean, this is one of those cars I always wanted to at least sit in. I mean, you always hear about it. These boys right here owns 3 of them and 3 Hellcats as well. I mean, this is like Mopar heaven. And I used to be part of the club because I had a Charger, but now they just let me park outside the gates. It's a miracle they let me put it in here. But yeah, that's just for the pictures and all.
Yeah, you got about 10 minutes left on that.
Oh, yeah, that's what I figured. So tell us a little bit about this beast, man.
Yeah, man, it's 2018, one of 3,000, makes 840 on race gas.
And one of them, you got what? Like, I think on the black one, you have a Whipple on it, right?
Yeah, we do. We got that on a Whipple E85, 4.9-inch rear end.
Dude.
And they're fun cars, man. They're big, they're heavy. They can't turn, and that's what I love about it.
Does the paint at least match on the bumper on these? It looks like it does.
Hopefully,
they always had issues, man.
Yeah, panel gap. It's
yeah.
It's a big plastic car, but that's what's fun. It's a big plastic car.
Now, did this one come with the what is it? The drag pack? Tell us a little bit about that.
The white drag pack?
Yeah, doesn't it come with the drag pack? No, not drag pack.
You're talking about the
box.
Demon kits, right?
Yeah. So what is that all about?
So that's a $1 option, which is really cool with these cars. So basically, with that, you get a whole bunch of accessories. You get a jack, you get let me think, you get the skinnies with that box too, and all of that can be actually fit into the trunk. There's the box, but there's a foam insert that you can actually put in the trunk.
Let me see. I don't believe that.
Yeah, we'll go find
How come I never knew this? Can I pop the trunk? Can I open it?
Yeah.
Can I do it? Oh.
It's inside, but
oh, baby. All right. So trunk is
oh, you almost got it.
What?
Almost there.
On the Dodges, it's...
No, it's almost... Oh, I'm looking at it
Oh,
right
my
now.
God.
Bingo.
Yeah, what an idiot.
He hasn't lost his ways. So basically, you can fit all of it in the trunk.
Dude, that is a massive trunk.
It is.
I don't think my Charger had that.
You can fit it somewhere. I forget where. You can fit it in the trunk, though.
I mean, it's so wide, I'm guessing it does fit in here.
Yeah.
It has to. So you even got subs in this thing? I mean, this is a freaking drag car, but you got everything in it.
This is a street car, first off.
You're right.
It is a street car.
I apologize. That's right.
With subwoofers.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tire kit, tire pump or whatever. It's even got a sunroof though. I didn't know they came with a package like that.
Yeah, so this one's fully optioned out.
I'm seeing you got 315s all around. So is that from factory this thing? Is that
factory.
the setup with the Nettos? Is that what it comes with?
Yeah, yep.
God, man. Look at that freaking tire. I don't even think my GTR has 315s.
And it still turns better. So you win again.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
You win again, China.
Yeah, but I mean, let's talk real talk. I mean, I couldn't even take your Charger down. That one night, and that's what, like half the horse. I literally have almost half the horsepower of this car in that GTR.
Yeah, but still GTR.
Oh my God. So this is like street legal everything, right?
Yeah, you can drive this. I've driven. Yeah.
It's insane. I've always been like a big fan of just the front end of the Challenger. I mean, look how massive and mean that looks. Does this have like the HID circles like on the headlights?
Yeah. Let me see if
wow.
I can get them to turn on.
Dude, that is sick, man. Now this is the cool thing. So the wide body, I'm guessing this was like one of the first years actually done it, right? With like the wide body look on it, the flares.
This is the first year they actually did the wide bodies, and these carried
Look how
over
they
to
did
red
that.
eyes.
Like they actually put the freaking lights that bend with the flare. It actually goes on the flare. Is that a one piece or two? Yeah, it is a one piece. Dude, that's so cool. Now, about the protector, I know everybody's gonna say. I'm just saying, man.
No, it's
Get ready for the
fair.
comments.
So, guys, that's why I brought the yellow one out instead of the purple one, so it would at least match.
Oh, and then I'll bring it up.
Because I saw the purple one in there, and I was like, I'm gonna get killed for this. But I think in terms of this one, it just looks, it matches the car.
Yeah, it blends in.
It makes sense, guys. Okay, it makes sense. It's yellow, okay?
That's right. It looks like it's meant to be. So same thing with the intake hole, right? So it got
so it's got 2 of them on this.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, the other one's like
So
it
2 intake holes. You got one literally right through here. I wish Chargers did it, but their headlights are different. Yeah, you do have 2. Jesus. What about number-wise? What number is this one out of like 3,000? Is there like a badge somewhere that shows it?
Actually, this is a really low number. So yeah, this is number 383 right
is.
there. Yeah.
Wow, 383.
Yep.
Dude, that's so cool. Even's got the Demon on the seats and everything. So bigger supercharger as well, right?
Yeah, so the Hellcats come with 2.3s. That's a 265.
Look at that. I mean, nothing is the same.
Yeah.
So 265, so pretty much 2.7 to a 2.3. So
basically, yeah.
Is that, what about the motor? Is it the same motor or different?
Same motor, but everything, same size motor, but everything internally is different about it. I think maybe 5% are the same, like same parts that the Hellcats.
Wow. This compared to your Charger, what do you think?
Charger.
Really?
All the way. That's different, man. Okay, you're asking
What do you mean?
I've been Charger guy all my life, okay?
Same here.
I would
Same
say
here.
Charger compared to a Lamborghini. I'm just a
Okay,
Charger
all
guy.
right. Now you're pushing it,
Now,
man.
can you
Come
take
on
a
now.
Lamborghini on a road trip?
Absolutely,
have
dude.
comfortable-
Actually, my goal is if I get one, I'm going to drive to Florida and back. Just 1,000 miles and see what it's like, man.
And I'll be there to get you a chiropractor.
Yeah, yeah. Might as well schedule one in before I
I'll
even
follow
get
you
there.
whenever you get tired of driving.
Let's start it up. I really want to hear it, dude.
Yeah,
I've never
man.
been like close up to one actually getting going, so
Let's do it.
do it, bro. Make my dreams come true. Now remember on my Charger, like it had like all kinds of drag modes and stuff on the
Yeah.
screen. Is that the same thing here?
Yeah, basically, yeah. So instead of having like sport, track, and all this stuff, you only have auto, custom, and drag. You don't.
Oh.
You do have an eco mode on there, but you
Okay.
don't have any of the tracks and all that. But you got a bunch of fun performance pages. Oh,
It actually says 808 on there.
yeah,
Wow.
yeah. See, 840. You need that.
Jeez. Wait, so the
yeah.
black keys, that it actually detunes it to 500?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
No
Yeah.
way. Wow.
Yeah, this is a big old computer, man.
Now, real question, do you have the black key?
I think
There's no reason for it.
I think we put it down at garbage disposal.
As soon as you left the dealership,
It's
right?
somewhere in a dumpster.
I was wondering, can we get a ride in it?
We can
Can we
most
have some
certainly
fun?
get it
Yeah.
right in it.
And then after that, I really want to see what you think of the GTR. I know it's a completely different animal,
I'm
but
so glad you said that because I've never ever driven a GTR,
what?
but I really like them.
Really?
And so this will be the tiebreaker to be like,
Oh
man,
yeah.
do I like it or do I not?
I
like
really
it?
want to see what your impression is going to be like.
Absolutely.
So, now the real question is, do you have cool? Oh my God, ventilated
Did
seats.
someone say cooled seats?
You have got to be kidding me.
Also, did someone say maybe a heated wheel? A little heated wheel action?
In an 840 horsepower car, you got heated and cooled
Yeah,
seats.
this is it's like a luxury shit box.
That's a good way to put it. Okay, so guys, another thing on this car, completely forgot. Can we get some heat going? I'm gonna.
Some heat? Are you cold?
I didn't say heat. I meant cold. Cool.
What heat?
No, I meant cool.
Yeah. Oh, when it's in drag mode, yeah, so you don't have AC.
What?
So that's another good point. Whenever you're in drag mode, you don't have AC. So,
Oh,
yeah, 'cause,
jeez.
well, it does it through the chiller.
Oh, that's right. Okay, so you do
Yeah,
have
so
the.
we're gonna be hot and sweaty and
I love it.
uncomfortable. It's gonna be
I
fun.
love it, man. Two dudes in a hot car.
So I haven't done the trans brake.
So yeah, that's what I was gonna
forever.
say. So that's from factory. You got a trans brake in this car from
Yeah,
factory.
so this is gonna be one of those things where the comment section is gonna kill me again because it might take like 2 or 3 times.
You're gonna do it here?
Hell yeah.
What?
we can do it.
So-
I'm not gonna fly into the car,
That's what
Hopefully.
everybody says.
but you're gonna get a lot of views if I
Yeah,
do.
bro, your
so,
GoPro's not gonna fly off either, and then what happened? I'm just saying.
You know what? You know what?
Ooh, what is that? Line lock ready? Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna.
Oh,
do that.
oh.
We're not gonna do a burnout here.
Come on.
We're not-
I see the
we're-
lines. I see the lines over there.
No, I drew that.
Okay. The permanent marker.
Okay, no, I remember. I know how to do it. Okay.
That's okay.
Trans bake. Okay. So we might die or we might make history. We'll probably do both.
Nice at the same time. So,
Okay.
so how do you do it?
So you first off, nobody do what I'm about to do because I might be wrong. And if you crash your car because of me, then send me a video. But anyways, so first you pull this off.
Okay.
I'm
Oh
pretty
my
sure
God.
You hold the.
Oh my God.
Yeah, no, we're screwed. Yeah. No. Okay, I know what to do. Oh, here we go.
What?
Yeah.
Dude, you got no.
No foot
Your
on the
foot's
brake.
not on the brake.
Watch this.
Holy, dude! No way!
Yeah.
Oh
So
my
I
God!
did it.
That's my first time even knowing what a trans brake is or being inside.
Yeah.
So the transmission's holding, not the brakes.
The transmission's holding it.
Let's go,
Let's
Bumblebee,
go.
man. I don't want to call her that. That's probably mean. You guys have a name for her?
The car mainly. But,
The car. So what about the purple and the black one?
That's the other cars.
So you have 3 Hellcats, right? And one is the Challenger Hellcat, which is pushing 1,000, I think.
Yes, sir. Yeah. About
Wheel.
1,000. Yep.
Jesus.
About 1,100, and then we have a red Charger Hellcat that's pushing about 950.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
With
that's
the
the-
skinnies in the front.
Yes, yeah, that's the red one. And then we
Wow.
have mine, which pushes about 300 horsepower. No way.
Per wheel.
No
per
way.
wheel.
There's no way in hell I'm telling you two my numbers.
Oh, it's down, bro. I'm down. I'm telling you, I'm coming for you. I'm gonna take
No,
down every
please
car.
don't.
Every car has to go down.
I'm too nice of a guy to get gapped, okay?
Are you kidding me?
I'm too damn
The
nice.
smack
Okay.
talk he does. I'm not gonna lie, dude. This is a comfortable ride, man.
It's
I
comfy.
figured because is the suspension different than like a regular Challenger Hellcat or
Yeah,
what?
so it's a lot softer. That's how they're
Yeah, but why?
so they can pull that
Oh,
wheelie.
because I was like, dude,
Yeah.
I'm not feeling
'Cause
bumps,
this-
man.
Because like we said before, it's a fat car. So the only thing is like it takes probably 6 minutes to make it around a curve. That's the only problem. I've taken this up to the Parkway, and it's weird. It's like the Hellcat. The Hellcat wasn't a great turning car, but this is not a great turning car.
So, I mean, can we get a little? Or are we waiting?
Yeah, we're gonna. There's a little bit of stretch up here.
I like it.
We're
like
in a
it.
school zone now.
Oh yeah, no, come on.
So-
I didn't see it. I'm not from here, so I didn't know.
No.
Yeah, I'm not telling you to break the rules. I'm just saying go the speed
No,
limit.
I'm gonna
'cause
break the
you're-
rules, but I'm gonna do it
Oh.
on my time.
I
okay?
like it. I like it. I like it. And he was definitely not driving that white Charger in the previous video. If you guys want to see that, where I pretty much took him down in the GTR, but link is up here. Close. It was close.
It was close.
Did you not see it?
I
But
would
like
say
it
it
was.
was close.
Yeah. I mean, you started pulling in the top end, but
It was
that's.
close. Well, I threw it in park midway through, so that's where I lost a lot of my game. But
Oh,
then I put it
yeah,
back in drive
yeah.
towards the end.
At least it wasn't reversed like our other. But
All right, you ready to see if this thing will break or not?
if it will break.
No, I'm just kidding. It won't break. Hopefully not.
Oh, I thought you meant like break. Oh snap! Here we go. Here we go. Oh.
All right, so just a nice little pull.
Holy fudgesicles, man. Dude, there was no traction at that. That wasn't
No.
even track mode, right?
No, that was like custom. So the power was on, but not everything else.
You're kidding, man.
Oh,
So
yeah.
we are at 840 though.
We're at 808.
So it's
we're
not even the full.
not even max
Oh
power
my
now.
god, I love this, dude.
We're
The
on
back
pump.
cushion though. I mean, it's just it's
It's
like
nice.
it comforts
the seats,
you, man.
know, that's mainly why we
Oh,
bought the
yeah.
car. We saw the seats and we were like, that
Absolutely.
looks great. And then everything else was just extra.
Oh my god. Jesus, there was no traction, bro. Oh yeah, no, I don't want to drive it. I don't want to drive it. We're good, man. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate the offer, but no. There's no other brand that's got this figured out where you could put 900 horsepower in the car.
The way you figured out is you just add a lot of heaviness to it.
Let's take an Oldsmobile and put a Lamborghini engine in it. That's
Right.
pretty
I think the only Dodge product we don't really performance-wise have is a Viper, and that's just
yeah, what's up with
because
that? I was going to ask you.
Well, we're an automatic family in this household, which means I can drive a stick.
Never seen him do it though. Never seen him do it.
Oh, now I'm gonna.
It's
get
been
roasted.
2 years, bro, and
I
I've
don't
never
want-
seen you drive a stick.
I don't
so.
want to get one single DM about me not being able to drive a stick.
You've owned this car for, you guys said 2 years. So just from driving it, what have you noticed things that you don't like about it? I mean, it's going to be hard. But
no,
you have to be like
it's-
nitpicky, but what, you don't have to even come up with like top 5. But give me a few things that you would say you would want
Okay,
improved.
so A would be all right. It's like a like and dislike thing, but it's heavy. It's very heavy.
What is the weight?
It's 4,200, and this is like a slimmed down version. Really, nothing mechanically really has failed on this one, so I can't really say anything about that. The body style, honestly, is probably the only other thing.
You don't
because-
like it?
Well, this body style's been around for over 10 years.
Pure heaven. Pure. That supercharger wine, man.
See, that's
I want my track hog back, dude. So the part where they say that, you know, it could do like a 2.6 foot front wheelie from stock factory. Is that true?
Oh yeah, they can. It just depends on the track.
Like, who in their right mind just comes up with that? It's almost like they had a deadline. There's like, dude, let's just throw all this together.
Yeah,
It's
they're
gonna
just
work
like,
somehow.
Let's use all our extra parts.
Yeah.
Put some spray in there.
Wait.
I'm not gonna hit it right now.
I'm just saying,
I'm a
man.
professional-ish at this.
Oh my god, man.
You see
Yo,
how
his
much
steering
more
was like
than-
this, dude. He's trying to hold it.
You see how much more we like it? I
Oh,
think it
yeah,
almost got
absolutely.
like level with the air. So first reactions of getting in it.
That's right. That's right.
Okay. It's a nice oaky smell.
What is you doing?
Oh, here we go. This one.
Yeah.
Bring it down. Oh, it's a whole
Do you see
thing.
the whole thing? I know.
Did you
I
ever-
just see
did
that.
you
Do
know
it
that?
again. Oh my god, I completely forgot. Yeah, dude. That's insane. Oh my god, there's carbon fiber in there. Bro, there's actual carbon fiber like panels. Oh, dude. I didn't even know. I haven't moved this since I
Trying
bought it.
so hard not to light this car right now, but it's very difficult. Okay. So lock
Dude,
back
this
in.
is sick. Yep.
Did you just figure that out too?
I swear to you, I did not know the whole panel moved.
Me
Now,
neither.
first, do you want comfort mode or you want your back to hurt?
I want my back to brake.
Okay, comfort mode it is, because I don't want that. Now we are going to put in R mode.
Okay.
So race mode is here.
What's R mode?
R mode pretty much makes the shifting really strong, and like whenever you're braking, it'll actually downshift for you.
Downshift like.
So we could do traction control as well, just for the heck of it.
Oh, wow, this is nice. This is like a little jet.
It is. It's a very miniature jet.
It's a lot more narrow. Oh, that's turn. Oh, it's
right. It turns. That's all it's supposed to do. Oh, it turns, bro.
Oh, God, you are not missing any three-point turns in this thing, man.
No, imagine at the Dragon, dude. You don't have to worry about corners.
Wow.
When it goes, it goes.
This makes me a better driver automatically.
Yes, it does.
And now I have the.
See how we're downshift?
That's supposed to.
Transmission's in the back, so that's what you're hearing.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a drive line between the motor and the transmission. Yeah, I didn't know Corvettes had it. I didn't know what this.
Yeah.
When we went for a test drive in this car, I was like, dude, what's that clanking, man? I was like, I'm not buying this because it sounds broke. It's like, no, that's normal.
Down. We're gonna go down to 5.
More, go more, bro. What you talking about? 5 is nothing.
Oh, a little spicy on that.
Oh, keep going. Oh, snap! You're on that 3,000. Keep going.
Oh no!
Come on, one more. What we got? A second? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh god.
What was that?
Oh,
what was that?
This is like the school zone again.
No, it's not the school zone, but it's a corner, and I know you're scared, but this is.
I hate corners.
Dude, Mopar guy.
I can barely drive regularly around corners.
It just needs more work, man. But think about it. Like, yeah, I know I was nowhere near close to, but
are we still talking about that race?
Yes, we are, because I'm impressed about the car, man. It's doing like 530, 540 wheel. You're 220, maybe 7. But it's just like how well it from the takeoff it kept up for a second, and then you were gone.
See, the cool thing is, like, the funny thing is I have a fast transmission, but this is like a fast transmission.
Yeah.
So it's literally just us on the intersection.
Yeah,
like,
it is.
Bum 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 bum.
What was that you just said?
I think since about the 40 minutes I've spent in this car, I think I've just become a generally better person. I think my credit score went up a little bit. I think people were looking at me different. I think my teeth got wider. Got more muscle mass. It's just.
You feel younger, don't you?
I do. I feel like a kid, but like a Zac Efron kid. I was a Jack Black in the Charger. I was a Jack Black rock and roll, and now I'm a sophisticated wine drinking gentleman.
See how it bumps on the first to second?
Yeah.
Because that dual clutch.
And that's supposed to happen.
Yeah, okay, it's got to be rough because it has to shift quick. Now, when I get the trans tune, it'll actually hit even harder, like the most R8 cars and Lambo cars, because it won't. That way, it grips so quick that you're not having the clutch burning or anything.
It's like giving you whiplash.
It's like, yeah, it's not gonna be comfortable, man. How are the seats though? Are they?
They're comfortable, but I think I'm on the peak wideness, like the perfect wideness.
Yes.
Like if I was any wider, it'd be a little bit stiffy.
So try to adjust your seat. Try to figure it out.
It's 4. That's backwards.
That's a knob.
That's a knob.
That is a knob.
Is there anything else to figure out?
It's in the knob. Everything is in the knob.
Up.
So swivel the knob down and bring the bottom piece of your seat down. It's weird. Like not the whole seat goes down, but like the bottom
back
piece.
Part?
Yeah.
I see.
You know what I mean? It's so weird. Compared to yours, what are you thinking? Compared to the Demon.
Oh, so this is a lot more tight. It feels like everything's more tight. And the Demon's like, it's like a sumo wrestler, or just like some big biker guy who can beat the crap out of you, but also can't run like 2 minutes. But it's like, it's fast, but it's like big, and it lets you know it's big.
It will stand its ground.
This is like a Taekwondo fighter. This is a guy that's like smaller, skinnier, but he can knock your jaw out by breathing on you.
All right, bro, so you've driven both cars. We're actually back at our place now at the warehouse. So what do you think, man? Like, compared to the Demon, would you drive this or no?
I would drive
it?
Yes, I would daily it. Yeah. Would I pick it over the Demon? That's still hard. I've only got about maybe, 30 minutes of driving it?
Yeah.
I do feel like a more elite person right now. The air smells fresher. Yeah, no, it's a cool car, man. I like it.
Well, I appreciate you letting us drive the Demon, man, or at least ride in and do. That was awesome.
Yeah.
If you guys like the content, definitely drop a like, drop a subscription, man, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for everything, for all the support, and I don't know, maybe we'll do that 1,000 horsepower
we'll do
Demon.
It. We got
I don't see why not if you guys like it. So I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy your cars, enjoy your lives, and